I need to keep an eye on you.
I've only loaded 1 or 2 trucks, so I guess so.
Alright, so I'm currently heading out to concentrate so I can pick up that load of soil. I'm also going to be putting the final touches in the front yard on that polytunnel so that way we can get the chickens out there to reduce my pest issue come springtime. We have the smaller tunnel all set up for the hens. Got to put the plastic on. I got some weed barrier over the path so that way they don't throw wood chips all over the beds. And it is set to jet. So I'd like to point out that when you're buying bagged soil like this, you might notice the price tag is significantly steeper than if you were to go to a landscape supply place and buy some just garden soil that they load up the back of your truck with. The difference is the fact that the bagged soil is designed for use in pots, whereas the garden soil you typically just want to throw straight into your garden and not into a pot with any sort of bottom on it. This stuff tends to be quite a bit pricier than garden soil, and if you're wanting to learn more, click on the link here. These girls are just being so noisy. What's up, ladies? Come say hi. Come here. You got something you want to say? Oh, not so talkative now, are ya? Building this greenhouse, I didn't really know how to deal with these end panels here, so I just kind of stuck them on there and then threw this on there as a weight, just a little concrete block. But it turned out to be one of my biggest benefits because now I'm able to just open this up, I can prop it up, lift up these pieces of plastic, and then I can just hose out the inside of the greenhouse and everything washes out the end. Well, those aren't my favorite things to do, but they are definitely needed to get the season underway. Next week, we'll be getting our seeds ready.